guys, I've just had my mother shave my head, put the template on and get that all prepped for the stylist. This is what it's looking like, and once it's all styled and hopefully looking good, I'll show you the final product. Alright guys?
Okie doke.
Yeah, you can feel that stickiness now for sure.
That's all applied. And let that to be clear.
Yep.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Just video a little bit and then
Yeah, and then halfway through.
Halfway through.
Yeah.
It feels quite good actually.
Yeah, to be fair. I mean, like when you put it up like that and it gets to this kind of length, that's where it's nice. You know what I mean?
It, yes. If we cut it like slowly.
Yeah, then
like,
we know when we get to the desired kind of length. I've always been kind of a fan of that kind of like short to medium, you know?
Yes.
Not super long, but just that short medium. And that way it's like less maintenance also, you know?
It's less maintenance. You have to cut your hair all the time.
Yeah. Oh yeah, to look at that, I won't have to cut it for at least a month.
Yeah, so
That's the good thing about this hair, so it doesn't really change much for the next 6 months, you know?
this is your lockdown hairstyle.
The only thing is like, yeah. No, that's cool.
That's made you look younger.
Yeah.
No?
Yes, that's the thing.
And because there's volume on the top, it makes your head not look as round anymore.